In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new ad account on Facebook Ads Manager, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have a brand new ad account set up inside your business so you can start running campaigns with the right settings and the right people assigned. First, open your browser and search for Facebook Ads Manager. Click the official link from Facebook. On the page, you'll see a button that says Go to Ads Manager. Click that to proceed. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in. Enter your own Facebook credentials and complete any two-factor authentication if it's enabled on your account. Then click Login. Make sure you're logging in on the official Facebook domain and avoid using public networks if you're handling business assets. Once you're in, you'll land on the Ads Manager campaigns dashboard. This is where you typically see the campaigns, ad sets, and ads tabs. We're not building a campaign yet. We're going to create the ad account that will house your future campaigns. Look toward the menu and click All Tools. Depending on your layout, it may appear as a grid icon. From there, open Business Settings. Business Settings is where you manage assets like pages, pixels, and ad accounts, as well as people and permissions. This is the control center for your advertising infrastructure. Inside Business Settings, find the Ad Account section in the left pane. Click it to view the ad accounts associated with your business. At the top, you should see an add button or drop down. Click the add drop down. You'll see options like add an ad account, request access to an ad account, and create a new ad account. Choose create a new ad account. For clarity, adding an ad account means claiming an existing one you already own, and requesting access means working on a client's account. In our case, we're creating a brand new asset for your business. You'll now enter the ad account details. Give the account a clear descriptive name that follows your internal naming convention. Think business name and region, or business name and purpose. Select the correct time zone and currency carefully. These settings affect billing, reporting, and optimization windows, and they typically can't be changed later. Align the currency with your billing country to prevent payment issues and make your numbers easier to reconcile. After that, click Next. You may be asked which business to associate this ad account with if you manage multiple. Select the correct business portfolio so ownership and permissions are correctly organized. This ensures your team can access the account and that billing and policy oversight are tied to the right entity. Click Create. Facebook will finalize the new ad account. In some cases, you might be prompted to set up a payment method. If you aren't prompted now, you can add billing details later in your payment settings before launching any campaigns. With the new account created, you can grant access to people and assign roles. Choose who needs admin access versus roles like advertiser or analyst. Admins can manage permissions and billing. Advertisers can create and manage campaigns. Analysts can view performance. Assign the least amount of access necessary for each person's job to keep your account secure. If you're working with an external agency, you can grant partner access through business settings instead of giving personal accounts administrator privileges. Once permissions are assigned, you're ready to use the new ad account. In Ads Manager, use the account selector to switch to it if you manage multiple accounts. You should now see a clean dashboard where you can set up your pixels, verify your domains, and later build campaigns. A quick tip: document your ad account name, time zone, currency, and who has access in your internal notes so onboarding and audits are smooth. Also, be sure your business complies with Facebook's advertising policies and that your billing information is accurate to avoid disruptions. That's it. You searched for Ads Manager, logged in, opened business settings, created a new ad account with the correct settings, tied it to the right business, and assigned the appropriate people. You're now set up to start advertising with a solid foundation.